news release. So here it is, oil, just news came out, incredible shortage of supply on oil. This morning when oil opened up, oil was in the middle of bearish correction. We didn't touch oil. Currently, we will allow oil a bit of a breathing room for the next 5 minutes. We'll wait for a pullback and we'll be monitoring for a position. Bearish correction is over, oil is rallying up. This would be extremely important level. That remains the key level as oil on daily chart at the end of the minor trend. That's why this remains key level. Waiting for a pullback on oil, only 1 minute after news release. That oil in reversal zone, which means selling pressure will step in at any moment. Extremely important to remember and to monitor that. How powerful will the selling pressure be? 2 minutes after news release? And oil is finding very powerful selling pressure, reminding you the danger of buying at these levels without powerful selling pressure. And the selling pressure is picking up this steam. I will allow oil 3 more minutes before I start respecting the structure. That's simple. But this is picture perfect reminder. If you are trading oil, you are already an accomplished student, an accomplished trader who achieved success elsewhere, as oil is low liquidity instrument that will stage very sharp formations in a blink of a second. This is oil in 2 minutes. Despite incredibly bullish news, incredible shortage of supply, oil staging pretty sharp push to the downside. And we're gonna find out very shortly if this is bearish correction or if this is bearish reversal. Picture perfect reminder, do not ever trade on fundamentals alone. If fundamentals are not supported by the price, they are completely worthless. Because we're witnessing huge conflict between fundamental and technicals. Extremely powerful bullish news, completely worthless, because reversal zone on hourly is reached. Oil already completed bearish correction. Currently we're monitoring very carefully because we don't want to be caught up in a correction. We want to enjoy the reversal. So who will win? Will it be powerful bullish news that will finish the bearish correction and will give us a buy as low as possible? That's what we're interested in, because we know the danger of acquiring position at reversal zone. Very dangerous. We have drastically lower supply on oil. Oil staged very powerful 50-tick collapse. Again, oil may do very dangerous crawl until 103.10 area, and that's the area we're extremely interested in because it correlates with very powerful daily levels. Despite very powerful and bullish news release, despite very powerful formations, we're so excited about shorting oil, schmoil. We had extremely volatile and very nasty formations during news release because oil opened up at reversal zone. The collapse was 60 ticks. Oil did not make it far enough or slow enough for me to catch long. I said, buckle up, exercise patience and discipline. I will only short because I know the danger of buying at these levels. And here's our adorable short blasting through all the targets. Isn't price marvelous? Let's see where oil is heading next. My next level on oil will be 102.75. If oil is blasted through 102.75, it will continue to drastically lower levels. 102.71 remains the key. I only trade my strategy, James. I don't give any other advices. Everything I do for demonstration purposes only. My second target is in. Trailing carefully. Very important levels on oil. My trail 103.10. Let's trail on hourly. And let's see, with S&P, S&P, get out of this worthless 2-hour corrections. If you know the rules, you may witness very powerful bearish formations after trading room close, just like played out yesterday. Beautiful short after trading room close, potentially doing the same thing today, as S&P staging worthless corrective formations 2 hours in a row, not letting me touch it. This is our third trade of the day. Second trade on oil. Oil reminded you today how important reversal zones are, especially in combination when you're not ignoring that the end of the minor trend is showing very clearly since market open, since third day in a row. The fight between the trends is on. Ultimately, if oil will blast through our targets, your next level is 102.13. If 102.13 is broken, oil will collapse 102 and to drastically lower level. But we're day traders, we're trading on very small time frames, and therefore, very important level on the way, 102.71. And that's the power of reversal zone. And if you review the Fibonacci forum, and if you review everything I've been spelling out since yesterday, you are witnessing that reversal zone is playing out on multiple time frames. You are witnessing that formula remains the same. The same reversal zone playing out on oil hourly is what played out on euro weekly multiple times. The same the end of the minor trend where oil weekly heading next to spelled out since 2012 is exactly where oil daily collapsed from. Formula remains the same. Can you play by the rules? And that would be the focus of our bootcamp. Trading room is closed as of Monday indefinitely. Can't wait for the bootcamp. Let's monitor oil. Few more minutes until trading room close. Price knew yesterday when I spelled out on the forum, look for buy at 102. Well before news release, and this was the buy from 102. That's over because of reversal zone. Well before any bullish news release. We're still short. What will the price do next? Let's monitor this level. I'm closing my short trade on oil. We are out. I'm monitoring for longs. That's the beauty of the price. Buyers are showing me they're back with vengeance. Bearish correction for now is over. We are completely out of oil. You've learned today the power of not trading corrective fluff. You've learned today the power of taking a trade if you know the rules. As beautiful long trade on oil staged phenomenal bullish rally well before news release. Currently buyers picking up this theme. And what will S&P do next remains the key. S&P spelled out once again the power of Fibonacci levels and the power of the knowledge and never ever ever getting chopped up by corrections. So have a fabulous afternoon everybody. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. One more day trading room open before the bootcamp.